Alright tubers, I'm going to post this video just for Craigslist. I got this for sale right now. I'm always selling it to get a new one. Sometimes it helps to have a video link in your ad to help people get a better look at what they're buying before they actually meet up with you. So I just want to go over the whole thing. I've done tons of walkarounds of this bike already, but this is as it is today. 2005 KTM 450Exc Supermoto, second owner. Got it with 900 miles on it. Currently has like 6,050 or something like that. Under 6,100 for sure. Yeah, it's very clean. Could definitely be a little bit cleaner, but for a 2005, it's very nice. Took very good care of it. Being a 2005 with that kind of miles, that's less than 500 miles a year. So there's two blemishes on the bike. This is the airbox cover. It flew off when I was riding one day. I found it, but it got ran over by a car. They're cheap. It's not a big deal. The only other thing, which is the second thing, is the horn doesn't work because one of the wires pulled out. That's it. Right here. Boom. Let's put another connector on there. It'll work. So it's got the Avon Trail Rider tires. Still got some life left in them. Running a 150 rear tire, not a 160. We got the Warp 9 wheels with the Cush hub. That's awesome. It's got a new chain on it. I replaced the front sprocket. That's a 45 tooth rear. The reason this bolt's missing because it'll scratch the wheel, so I took that out. Got a K&N filter in here. That's been cleaned. 50 stunt passenger pegs, both sides. I have new grips, new in the box, so I'll put those on. GPR4 steering damper. There's a high beam indicator and turn signal indicator. You got the little ones out back. The big ones up front never really bother me, but it'd be nice to get matching ones. High beam, regular, or high beam, regular, off. I think this is like a European switch, but it's for the bike. So, also the speedometer has been calibrated properly for the wheels. You just change a code on the back, 1882. That's for Supermoto wheels. The other code's right on the back for the bigger 21-inch wheel. 186 hours, that's 6,100 miles. 6,074. It's got the MotoMaster level 2 front brake system, 320 millimeter front floating rotor. That's a 4-piston billet caliper. It stops ridiculously fast. It's amazing. Stainless brake line, came with the kit. Radial master cylinder, 15cc reservoir. Got the Pro Circuit pipe. The bike is jetted accordingly. A lot of these bikes, people stand up on them and kick them over and end up with a broken kickstand mount. This is not that way. Nothing wrong with that. Did a radiator or coolant flush last week, so it's got the engine ice in there. If you don't want the stickers on, I can take them off. This 2009 front fender and headlight because it looks 10 times better than the 05. No splicing required, it's plug and play. Got the KTM handguards. I do have the plastic pieces. This is a custom ordered seat concept seat. It's a lot wider, it's got more foam. It's got what they call the carbon sides, orange stitching. Got the Renthal handlebars on there. A little bit taller of a bend than stock. And as you guys know, these bikes, you know, they come with stainless brake lines out back, Brembo caliper. It's a 6-speed, shifts like butter. It's got a hydraulic clutch, which is awesome. Very, very easy pull. Hot start lever. So the rear wheel is a 4 1/4 wide. You can get the 5-inch, but I didn't want that. I didn't want clearance issues. We got the orange nipples, black spokes, orange hub, matching in the front. This is a 3.5, I think. Yeah, 3.5. Skid plate's pretty good. Suspension feels nice. Last time it was rebuilt was 2015, but it sat until I got it in 2016. I've had it for 3 years. It's gonna come with front and rear dirt wheels, Excel wheels. It's gonna come with just a number plate if you wish to swap it over, dirt fender, the stock front brake system to put back on for when you go off-road. I have all the original documentation from the original owner. KTM briefcase, all the fixings you get, the pristine owner's manual. Also have a CD copy of it if you want to put it on your computer. Pictures of the bike through the conversion. So those are the wheels you'll be getting. Front fender, the hand guards. This was originally converted, I believe, in Arizona and brought out here. Everything, all sales receipts, all the work, all the parts in it for the conversion to street legal. I believe the pink slips in here too. So the bike was $7,100 brand new. It's a lot cheaper than they are now. Yeah, just a ton of shit that comes with this bike. So if you're thinking about coming to check out the bike and just wanting to get a closer look than the pictures I provided, I hope this video helps. The bike truly is awesome. I might as well give you a startup situation. It's got a lithium battery as well. Starts right up every time. I never second guess to take this bike anywhere. Idle's nice. This little scratch is just because it fell over in the grass and hit my buddy's foot peg. It's no big deal. It's a dirt bike. Brake light works. Turn that off. high beam. Like I said, the only thing that doesn't work is the horn. Kill switch. Gas off. All right, that's all, folks.